You must be curious about what I'm going to do with this. But these are empty capsules and these are full ones. Now I have difficulties swallowing these. I have to drink a lot of water to get them down. So I decided to open them up like this and put it in another jar. What I was taking was for the joints and the muscle. It's called green lip shell. It's supposed to be good for all those joints and muscle aches and whatever. Yeah, so I opened them, shake them out, and then I have these. Yeah, and then I have them in here as well. I will drop them inside there. I'm collecting them because I am going to do something creative with them. So, if you want to know what I'm going to do with these, then you can always check my channel out and see what's new on it. Hope you like it so far. And if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you feel like, you can also subscribe or share my content. So, without no further ado, I will leave you and wish you a wonderful evening. And you will see me in my next video. Bye. So, let me get started. It's a whole lot of work. It's a lot of work. But we'll get it done. Yes, we will get it done. We have time now, so